Hello, ladies. It is Lindsay Maldonado
and Sarah Zayas,
and we're the leaders of the Sunshine Divas and
Sizzling Stars,
and we're here to welcome you to your new journey with Pure Romance. This is the first of a series of 6 welcome videos for new consultants that join our team, so we can point you in the right direction of the best things to do while setting up your business and getting started in your new Pure Romance business.
So the first thing we want to have you do before you watch these videos is download the 6 weeks to a strong start new consultant checklist. We are going to be referring to that throughout the series of videos, so you're able to check mark off the things as you do them in order to keep you in order and have the most success for your new business.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is to refer back to your emails that you got, your welcome email. It's going to have your consultant ID in it, and this is really important. I encourage everyone to go to coo.pureromance.com, and you want to log in, use your consultant ID. Your password is the last 4 digits of your social, and all that information is in that first welcome email. When you log in, you're going to want to set up your website. You're going to hit the My Business tab at the top, My Information, fill in all your info, and then My Website. And your website is going to be pureromance.com/your first and last name. And if you have a really common last name, there may be a number or 2 added on to the end of it.
I would also recommend getting a very professional Pure Romance Gmail address. I have Sarah Zayas pureromance@gmail.com. So it's very nice and professional for people to be able to find you. Next thing you want to do is you want to get business cards. So you can actually go to the COO link in the print center and print business cards, or there are other options like Vistaprint where you could get yours. Just make sure they're very professional, your business cards, when you order them.
So the next thing is you're going to want to be sure that you add your sponsor and your upline on Facebook. So we have some really helpful Facebook groups for our team. So there's the Sunshine Divas group, and I'll screen share some of these things at the end of this video. Also, another helpful group on Facebook is Destination Success. So these 2 groups are really key. The Sunshine Divas group is everything specific to our particular team. We post recognition there. All of our team meetings and calls are on there, as well as every day we have like daily tips from the leaders. So you're going to want to be sure you're in there. Destination Success is all of the consultants and leaders in that group from the whole company, and there's tons and tons of videos and training information on there. It's such a huge, really valuable resource. So you're going to want to be sure you add yourself to both. And if you need to be approved for Destination Success, just shoot me a message, and I'm a moderator on both of those, so I can be sure that you get added as quickly as possible.
Next thing you want to do is download the Pure Romance Incentive Requirement Guide. Sometimes you might hear as the IRG. That is going to be basically all the rules and regulations for your Pure Romance business. You want to make sure that you are complying with everything and know what you can get as incentives. They're going to be in there as well. And then you're going to want to set up your Square account as well. And your Square account, you're going to have an app on your phone, and you're going to want to link that to a business account. So you're able to make credit card charges. They instantly deposit the next day into your account. So you're able to get your money right away to be able to place your orders. Square is very great customer service. You do get a free little chip swiper that's going to come in your kit. Over time, you may want to upgrade to the chip reader, because that's going to guarantee that all your transactions go through a little bit better. It is a great investment for you. And then set up a separate bank account. So then you're able to figure out what you are doing with your money, your Pure Romance money. We have a great system where you're able to kind of put your money into 3 different categories, putting money back into your business, putting money into your why you started this business, and then paying your bills, of course. So very important. Then you can link your Square to that, and you're able to make your orders through that as well.
So your really most important thing, if you notice, well, once you get your kit, you're going to notice you don't have order forms, and that's because we have this awesome app that you can download. It's called Pure Sale on any phone or tablet. And it's this little pink one, PS. You will set up a code for it. And this is basically how you take orders. Oops. It's how you record your orders and sales as well as your inventory. So, and it works as a database or customer database of all your customers as well as you grow your business. So you input your upcoming parties in there. Once you do a party, it's going to show you, once you input all their information, the breakdown of what she was just talking about.
Oops, you went off it.
It's still on, still recording.
Oh no, I meant that.
Oh. So it's at the bottom and it shows you, I know this is backwards for you guys, but your why, your bills, and then your inventory. It breaks it down into 3 categories evenly, so you know exactly what that looks like. And it takes out of here like your expenses, what you gave away, and discounts. So it really does all the math and recording for you. You can place your outside orders under that order tab. And this also, if you just swipe right, if it's back ordered, you mark it as back ordered. But there's videos on all this on how to do all the ins and outs of this. Then your contacts, and then you can record and save your inventory. So this is really valuable. This is what you're going to track everything on when it comes to ordering, customers, all that stuff in here. And then you sync it to, by hitting the sync button on the main page, and it links it to your back office. So really, really valuable, but this will help you keep track of what you need to order and what you have and what you don't have and how much you make. So really valuable.
And that's also available on Android and Apple, and you can get them on your phones as well. So it's really great. The final thing that we want to talk about in this video is what you do. So you've ordered your kit, right? You're super excited. You want to set up your first 3 parties. So your first 3 parties are going to be called, your first one is your Pop the Box or Bestie Party. Basically, you invite over 2 to 4 of your closest friends, have a bottle of wine, keep it super simple. You literally just go through the box together, get them excited about it since they're your closest friends. Hopefully they will book parties with you, order from you. Just get your nerves out with them. It's not a full-on presentation, just getting it through. The next thing, you want to schedule 2 parties. They are going to be your launch party and your relaunch party. So basically, you want to do your Pop the Box maybe on a Thursday night, your Friday night, the next day, you're going to do your launch party where you invite everybody you know to that party. And for all those friends that are like, I can't make Friday night, no worries. You're going to do a relaunch party on a Sunday afternoon. So you want to maybe do 1 at night and 1 in the afternoon so you can get from different crowds of people. And you want to invite as many people as you can to those parties to get your business started. Try to do those first 3 parties within the first week of getting your kit, and that's going to explode your business. And then you're going to be able to put those orders together, which will save you money, and we all want to save money, right?
Yeah, so, there's almost always a sale that ends on a Sunday. So if you get those orders in 1 weekend, you can order everything all together.
So go ahead, look at your 6 weeks to a strong start checklist. Make sure you check off all those items as you do them. Once you have completed all those first items, you want to send a quick message to your sponsor or upline and just let them know you've completed them, and then go ahead and watch the next video.